Hey there, future investors. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the same old investment options like stocks and real estate, or you're just looking for a side hustle that can bring in passive income, then you're in the right place. Today we're talking about something that's both old school and still thriving: vending machines. Yes, you heard that right, vending machines. Now I know what you're thinking. Vending machines? Are we seriously going to talk about those snack-filled boxes? Absolutely. And trust me, you'll want to hear why this could be the investment opportunity you've been missing out on. In this video, I'm going to take you from beginner to pro in vending machine investing. We'll go over how to find the best machines, how to stock them, how to grow your vending business, and most importantly, how to make money while you sleep. Plus, no vending machine snack is ever going to judge you for your choices. Want 5 bags of chips for lunch? No one will stop you. But seriously, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to turn vending machines into a serious source of passive income. So, before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's always on the lookout for a cool business idea. Ready to snack your way to financial freedom? Let's get started. First, let's talk about why vending machines are such a great investment. There are a ton of reasons, but let me break it down for you. Number 1, passive income. Vending machines are the definition of passive income. Once you place a machine, stock it, and set it up, they pretty much run themselves. Sure, you might need to visit and restock it every week or so, but for the most part, you're sitting back and letting the quarters or dollars roll in. It's like having a tiny employee who never asks for vacation days or a lunch break, and all they do is take your money. Second, they're low maintenance. Unlike some businesses that require constant attention, a vending machine just needs periodic refills and routine maintenance. This makes them ideal for a side hustle, or even a full-time passive income stream if you scale it right. And let's not forget the low cost of entry. For as little as $2,000 to $5,000, you can own a few machines and start generating cash. Compare that to real estate, where you need 6 figures to even get started. Plus, no need to worry about tenants or property managers. You're the boss of the machine. Lastly, vending machines are everywhere. They're a part of the fabric of our everyday lives, in offices, gyms, schools, and shopping centers. That means there's always demand for them. People want convenience, and vending machines provide just that. All right, now that we've got you convinced, let's talk about how to actually get started with vending machines. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as you might think. Step 1, do your research. Just like any investment, you want to understand the market before jumping in. Research the types of vending machines out there. You have the classic snack machines, soda machines, healthy snack machines, coffee machines, you name it. Look at the location. Is it in a high traffic area? Will people actually use it? For example, you wouldn't want to put a soda machine in a gym where people are looking for protein shakes. And you wouldn't want to put healthy snacks in an office building where everyone's just after chips and soda. Pick your spots wisely. Step 2, buy your machines. You have 2 options here. You can either buy new machines or buy used ones. New machines can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, but the advantage is they're in pristine condition. On the other hand, used machines can be significantly cheaper, around $1,000 to $2,500, but may require a little more maintenance up front. Step 3, find the right location. I can't stress this enough, location is everything. Try to find places that have lots of foot traffic. Schools, offices, gyms, hospitals, and apartment complexes are all great spots. Think of it this way: if you put your vending machine where people need snacks, then you're basically the snack hero. People will be forever grateful, and you'll have a steady stream of customers. All right, so now that you've got your machine and your location is all set, let's talk about what goes inside the machine. This is where you can get a little creative and make your vending machine stand out from the crowd. You want to offer snacks that people actually want to buy. I'm talking about things like chips, candy, energy bars, and depending on your location, maybe even healthy snacks like fruit cups or protein shakes. Do a little market research, see what's selling well in other machines in the area, and stock accordingly. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you have a few premium options. Something people will splurge on when they're really craving a snack. Like that gourmet chocolate bar or a bottle of fancy kombucha. It's like the luxury snack experience, and hey, people love treating themselves. Next up, you'll need to manage your machine. This means regular visits to refill it, checking that everything is working smoothly, and cleaning it. The good news is you can hire someone to handle this for you once your business grows. But early on, you'll want to keep an eye on the machines to make sure they're running well. And don't forget to check for those jammed coins or if someone's tried to use the vending machine as their personal trash can. Trust me, it happens. Alright, so you've got your first few machines up and running, you're making steady cash, but now it's time to scale and turn this side hustle into a full-blown business. Step 1, get more machines. Start small, but as you see profits coming in, reinvest that money into more vending machines. The more machines you have, the more income you'll generate. Just be sure not to bite off more than you can chew in the beginning. Step 2, expand your locations. As you add more machines, look for new locations with great foot traffic. Don't just settle for the easy ones. Go after the high-demand spots. Step 3, automate and outsource. Once you're comfortable managing a few machines, you can outsource the restocking, maintenance, and even the cleaning. This will free up your time so you can focus on growing your vending empire. And before you know it, you'll have a whole vending machine kingdom. Okay, maybe not a kingdom, but definitely a nice passive income stream. So there you have it, folks. Investing in vending machines is one of the easiest, low-maintenance, and profitable ways to make money passively. If you've ever dreamed of owning a business that works for you while you enjoy your favorite snack, this is the way to go. Now, don't just sit there. Go out, find that perfect location, stock those machines, and start earning. It's time to make those snacks work for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's looking for a cool new investment idea. And remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how you make your money work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep investing, keep learning, and keep munching on those profits.